A faithful servant of God and a committed leader in ministry and theological education, he has devoted his life to both pastoral service and academic leadership. Born on June 30, 1972, and a native of Silago, Leyte, he has been joyfully married to Pastora Iris Elmine since December 22, 2004. He holds a Juris Doctor from the University of Makati, a graduate diploma in Biblical Studies from the Asia Pacific Nazarene Theological Seminary, and has pursued graduate studies in public administration at the University of Rizal System. He previously served as director of Foursquare Bible College, Quezon City, and as OIC Director at the Office of the National Director of Foursquare Bible Schools and Colleges. He now serves as Board Secretary of PABATS, Philippine Association of Bible and Theological Schools. For 22 years, he pastored the Blessed Mount Foursquare Gospel Church in Binangonan, Rizal. Recently this year, on January 26, 2025, he began his new role as Senior Pastor of Cebu City Foursquare Gospel Church. And as of March 31, 2025, he also serves as Overseer of Cebu Foursquare Bible College. Today, we are honored to welcome our school overseer, a pastor, educator, and servant leader. Please join me in welcoming Reverend Tani Almini Jr.